Hi,
Hello there. How can I help you today?
I want to make a notes on class 10th science subject.
I am creating a note titled Class 10 Science Notes with the chapter details.
Okay, add chapter first chemical reaction.
I am adding chapter 1 Chemical Reactions and Equations to your Class 10 Science Notes.
Okay, thanks. What is chemistry?
Chemistry is the scientific study of matter, its composition, structure, properties, and transformations it undergoes. It's basically about what things are made of and how they react with each other. Does that make sense?
What is the difference between physics and chemistry?
Physics and chemistry are related but distinct sciences. Physics focuses on fundamental principles like matter, energy, and how they interact, often dealing with things on a larger scale. Chemistry, on the other hand, dives deeper into the composition, structure, and properties of substances and how they transform in reactions. Does that clarify the distinction?
Yes, can you give some properties examples?
Sure. In chemistry, properties include things like melting point, boiling point, density, and reactivity with other substances. For example, a metal's ability to conduct electricity is a chemical property, while its melting point is a physical property. In physics, properties include concepts like mass, velocity, and force. Are there any specific properties you are interested in?
Not now. Can you define it with state, color?
Certainly. When you describe something by its state and color, you're usually talking about its physical properties. For instance, you might say a substance is a solid at room temperature and is colorless, which are both physical descriptions. Is there a particular substance you have in mind?
Not now. What is chemical equations?
A chemical equation is a symbolic representation of a chemical reaction, using chemical formulas for reactants and products, and often indicating the direction of the reaction and the physical states. It's like a shorthand for describing the chemical change.
Give some example.
A common example is the formation of water, which is represented by the equation 2H2 plus O2 presh to 2H2O. Here, hydrogen and oxygen are reactants and water is the product. Another is the rusting of iron, 4Fe plus 3O2 plus 2Fe2O3. Does that give you a clearer picture?
Yes. How can I write a chemical equation?